Boyfriend charged with 2019 murder of Kenesha Keshawn Brown.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
The St. Catherine police have now charged the man accused of killing his girlfriend Kenesha Brown in 2019. He has been identified as 34-year-old Tony Martin. Martin was taken into police custody and charged on Wednesday, December 15th. Reports surrounding the fatal incident are that Brown, more widely known as Keshawn, and Martin were at home where an argument developed between them. It is alleged that Brown used stones to damage Martin's motorcar, which resulted in a fight. Unconfirmed reports have also suggested that Martin was stabbed at least 3 times by Brown. The accused man then reportedly pulled his licensed firearm and fired a single shot, hitting Brown in her forehead. The incident happened about 12:45 a.m. on Saturday, July 20, 2019. Brown was taken to hospital where she was pronounced dead. Reports have also indicated that Keshawn was pregnant at the time of her death. Martin's court date has not yet been finalized.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!